No, no, no. Yeah, now we're talking. Cyberpunk. Hi there, my name is Mark, I'm a graphic designer and content creator falling in love with 80s synthwave retro and cyberpunk. And in this video I'll show you how I created this Cyberpunk Mary Jane. So this video is supposed to be uploaded at 20th of April, which is a very special date in Stoner's calendar, and true fans of Ganja should know. Unfortunately that didn't happen, but it is what it is. At least the time of a premiere is correct, 4:20 PM in my recent time zone. So I designed the cyberpunk artwork with pretty girl based on a brick wall using vaporizer. Image is photo filler with 80s vibes and some adjustments in Photoshop. So based on this image you can tell I'm on the light side of the force. Oh shit. Star Wars Celebration, may the 4th be with you. Ah! Wait a second, did you know that I created Darth Vader vs Jason X artwork a couple of weeks ago? So that's my excuse. Link in the description down below. Okay, but to the point, now I'll walk you through the process of making this futuristic beauty. If you're new on this channel, please click subscribe and that will make you stay up to date with all my new videos. At the same time, that will help me to grow this channel. Now let's get started. In this part of the video I'll explain what I did here, step by step or layer by layer, whatever you wanna call it. Instead of commentary through the whole process on the screen, I'll do some important highlights to help you stay on the course. And here you can see all the images that I used. So I've downloaded this picture of a girl smoking vape from FreePic, link in the description down below. But I changed that device to make it look more like a weed vaporizer, particularly X's Snap Concentrate Vaporizer. It's not sponsorship, I swear. I've put some more bricks on the background using a perspective transformation. I added neons with leaf of a pot and words highlight. Then I added hue and saturation layer to the girl. I had to copy the piece of vape and change a few things here with levels and exposure. After that I used the color lookup knife from a day and 2 layers of gradient map. At this point I figure out that it's not enough, something's missing, and I messed up a face and body of that girl. Wait, that doesn't sound right, a little bit too creepy. Let's go back. I modified her body with some bionic adjustments, that's what I meant. So as you can see here, all those parts known from games like Cyberpunk or Deus Ex. And that color gradient map didn't work as well, too much Rasta. Besides that, I added some more vape and cherry on the top, camera raw filter. Now it's time for speed art. I'll slow down the video on the key moments of the process to make it more helpful for you, and remember that you can adjust tempo in the menu below. So, enjoy! And that's it, a final piece, and I'm really happy with this one. Let me know what you think. Would you like to see more cyberpunk manipulations like that? I hope that this material was helpful for you. Feel free to check out the rest of my content, click subscribe, leave a like if you appreciate my work, and drop me a comment down below with your opinions or any suggestions. That will help me to deliver better content every time, and I appreciate you. Thanks for watching and stay tuned. Good night.